Today we will be testing the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 103 different strategies, with 30 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail up of that video on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we've tested so far. We've also tested a total of 982 indicators, with 414 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the 1, 2, 3 trend continuation pattern indicator. And you can see it here on screen. It actually looks quite similar to the market structure type indicators that we have been testing here recently, and that is because the 1, 2, 3 pattern or the as they call it, trend continuation pattern is kind of based off of, or more or less is based off of, market structure, and very similar to the market structure again that we have been testing here recently. And the source video claims that this accurate market structure indicator with entry and take profit levels is very profitable. And so the indicator itself gives us quite a bit of information here, and so really we don't need some of the information. Let's see if we can turn some of it off. Nope, it actually doesn't look like we can. All right, well, we can use it this way. And so the indicator itself, as you saw here, tells us specifically when there is an entry, either long or short, and then gives you the take profit and stop that you should be setting according to that entry. And so of course we are going to use our own take profit and stop, and so that's why I figured we could just go ahead and turn these off, because these arrows right here actually indicate whether or not there is a buy or sell signal. And so anytime there is a green arrow, that is a buy signal. Anytime there's a red arrow, that's a sell signal. And so that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we get is a buy signal. You can see that green arrow right there, and a really nice push straight up there is going to get us to our take profit. Then we pick up another buy signal right here on this one, and again a nice little push to the upside there, and once again getting us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator. Let's get the scroll back here. Alright, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have 9 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for, just kind of barely, but it still meets the 60% nonetheless. A reasonable number of trades within the 1 year's time, so that's good to see. And the 1, 2, 3 pattern is like I said, a market structure pattern similar to quite a few, or I guess I wouldn't say similar to, but also in the same group as a few of the other market structure patterns, like the Gartley, and there's like a bat pattern, and I think a butterfly, and a few other ones. But I think the 1, 2, 3 is probably the most popular one, if I'm not mistaken. It seems to be the one that shows up more often than not, and I think does a pretty decent job of getting you into some trades, and a decent number of trades as well, like I said. And so definitely a cool indicator. I think it's something to look into and play around with. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.